ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka college puli nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Ka chairperson jong a National Commission for Women ka Rekha Sharma habakan tho halor ka Jingshah ki riu Kynthei habarok ka wei ka India kalapan pau bakathain northeast kadang day ka wei na ki jaka ba Shngain habayan ujor bat Kiwei ki Jylla hapok ka India. Yagani ka Rekha Sharma kalapan pau ha ka Jingya kendo bat kilat patay kubor kabalalong mentagasngi ka Pratarik Unaitung ha State Convention Center Hadian balapli ya ka workshop halor ka Phang Regional Capacity Building. Halor ka Jingshah badang shen ha ka bagaway kalong kami harilom garo lang baga video bala sa priang bha hagi social media ka Rekha kalapan pau baga commission kalashim daga swo moto case bat ki pulit kidang le yala ka jong ka kamram.
The number you are talking about, it is also because women are now aware of their rights and they are coming forward and speaking. That's why we see that number is, it seems that it is increasing. And media, you people are also now working around the clock and putting things for the world to see that these things are happening to the women. So number, yes, you can see, and police is also working around the clock and they are registering cases. So number is increasing, but I think we need to work on everywhere. I can say that northeastern area is still very, very safe for women if you compare with the plains of India, or if you compare with the north of India. There, the kind of cases which are brutal against women are more, but still we need to work. There should not be even single case against women, and women should be safe and secure anywhere and everywhere, any part of India. And we are working, NCW is working. Single mothers by choice. If they are by choice, I think there is no need to intervene. If they have become by accident or raped by somebody or forced by somebody, that's a different issue. There we can intervene and help her out. But if they are single mother by choice, that's their right. Meghalaya, if you are suggesting that there are many by forcefully they are becoming single mother, I would happily work on it and do a research. I'll ask Delina to do research and we'll see how we can help them. It's beneficial for women. Like if a man is promising marriage and then having sexual relationship with that women and finally not getting married to her, he can be booked for it. This is the first time that new law has come. There are few more, even in IT Act, the new act, if people are abusing women online, they can be criminally booked by the police. So there are many provisions in the new law which are helpful for the women. We are conducting program with the National Legal Service Authority to make them aware of their legal rights. That is an ongoing program from last 4 years we are doing. We are reaching to every women now. This year we have started reaching to the districts. So slowly we are coming down. Otherwise, we were doing in a state, one program in a state, then we started in Taluka, now we are doing in a district. So we'll be reaching out to every woman. We have got an app also. So you can go to that app, Her Legal Guide. You can also download and tell your audience also. They can download that Her Legal Guide and see all their legal rights on that. And there are links to the helplines also in that. See, it's sometimes it is government's responsibility and sometimes it is society's responsibility also. What is society doing? Are you doing some programs for controlling drugs? Or society people are also only selling for their own benefit. Why they are not aware that they are ruining the generations? Why they are not aware that they are, only thing is that these days people are only bothered about making money, and that's how we say that society is degrading. They are not thinking about their own responsibility, putting all the responsibility on the governments or on the organizations. Their individual responsibility they forget. I think this is high time that individuals should stand up and have the responsibility on their shoulder to not only control drugs but also crime against women.